Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can log in into your Pandora account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go to any browser you want and simply search for Pandora. As you can see, once you have done that, you want to go ahead and click on the Pandora Music and Podcast, basically the website. And then finally, you're going to be on this page where you can simply click on login on the top right, and you're going to be here where it's going to ask you for your email on top. Go ahead and enter your email here, and then go ahead and enter your password down here. And then simply once you have entered your password, click on this login button below your email and password tab, and then you should be logged in into your account. So as you can see, once you have done that, it might also ask you to save your password. If it is your private computer, go ahead and do it, but if it's not, don't do it. So congratulations, you have successfully logged in into your Pandora account. It was as simple as that. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.